Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes steam. This technique is a fantastic way to ensure your cupcakes are incredibly moist and tender, far surpassing the dryness sometimes associated with oven baking. It's a simple process that yields impressive results, giving your homemade treats a professional touch. Get ready to transform your baking and delight everyone with perfectly steamed cupcakes. There are a couple of easy ways to steam your cupcakes. You can use a large pot with a dedicated steamer basket or a traditional bamboo steamer. The key is to ensure the water in the pot remains below the level of your cupcake liners, preventing them from getting soggy. Steam them gently for about 10 to 15 minutes, adjusting based on your cupcake size. For the best steamed cupcakes, a few tips can make all the difference. Always line your steamer basket with parchment paper to prevent any sticking. It's also crucial not to overcrowd the steamer. Give each cupcake enough room for the steam to circulate evenly. Finally, maintain a consistent, gentle simmer throughout the process, rather than a vigorous boil, for that perfect, delicate texture. If your cupcakes seem a bit too wet, try reducing the steaming time slightly or ensure your water level isn't too high. A tight-fitting lid is essential to trap all that wonderful steam, so double-check your seal. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, for all you avid readers, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.